Welcome to TLH Patterns. In today's video, I'll show you how to crochet these cupcake shaped cute little trinket boxes. To make the cupcake trinket box, I used medium worsted weight yarn in 2 colors and a 4 mm crochet hook. Make a magic ring. Insert hook into the ring and pull up a loop. Now work a chain and then work 8 single crochets into the ring. Now pull the free end of the yarn to tighten the loop. This is the first round. Work a slip stitch in the first single crochet to join. Now make 1 chain. In the second round, work 2 single crochet in each stitch. So that will be 16 stitches in the second round. Make sure you have the correct number of stitches and join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. In the third round, you'll increase 1 stitch in every alternate stitch. So let's start with chain 1 and then work single crochet in the first stitch and then 2 single crochets in the next stitch repeated around. Single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochets in the next, again single crochet in the next, 2 single crochets in the next. So in this round you'll have 24 stitches. In the fourth round you'll increase a stitch in every third stitch. So start with chain 1 and then work single crochet in 2 stitches followed by 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Single crochet in 2 stitches, 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat this around. Total number of stitches in the fourth round will be 32. Next is round 5, chain 1 and work 2 single crochets in the next stitch, followed by single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So here in this round we'll be increasing 1 stitch in every 4th stitch. So you'll be working single crochets in 3 stitches, and in the next stitch you'll work 2 single crochets. And since we started the round with 2 single crochets, we'll finish the round with single crochet in the last 3 stitches. And in this round you'll have 40 stitches. I have completed 5 rounds. Join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. So 5 rounds are completed, and now in round 6 work single crochet in each stitch, but only into the back loops. You can see there are 2 loops in a stitch. Work only into the back loop, that is the loop which is away from you. Work single crochet in each stitch, so you should have 40 stitches. Then join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet, chain 1, and then work single crochet in each stitch around, but you'll be working into both the loops. So this is round 7. Round 7 to 13 you'll just work single crochet in each stitch, joining at the end of each round. Completed up to round 13. Next I'm going to work 1 round of decrease. I'll be decreasing 4 stitches in this round. So start with chain 1 and work single crochet in 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then single crochet 2 stitches together, also known as single crochet decrease. Then work single crochet in the next 8 stitches, followed by a single crochet decrease. You'll repeat it 2 more times. So you'll decrease 4 stitches, and you'll have 36 stitches in this round. I'm working a decrease here after 8 stitches. Finally work a slip stitch in the first stitch to join. Then work a round of slip stitch in each stitch. Then you can cut the yarn off and join and weave in the loose end of yarn using your yarn needle. Now we'll work the upper part. Rounds 1 to 5 will be the same as lower part. In round 5 you'll have 40 single crochets. Round 6 to 10, continue working single crochet in each stitch, joining at the end of each round. So you'll have 40 stitches in each round. I've completed up to round 10 and this will be round 11. Turn, you're going to work from the other direction. Chain 1 and now you'll be working only into the back loops of each stitch. So work a single crochet in the first stitch and then in the next back loop of the next stitch work single crochet, a double crochet and a single crochet. So all 3 stitches will be worked in the next stitch and then in the next stitch work 1 single crochet and then in the next stitch work single crochet, double crochet and single crochet. Repeat this around working only into the back loop of each stitch. After completing, join, cut the yarn off and weave in the loose ends of yarn. To make the flower, I used a 3 mm hook and a lighter yarn. You can use category 2 or 3 yarn. Start with a magic ring. Insert hook into the ring and pull up a loop. Chain 1 and work 5 single crochets into the ring. Tighten the ring by pulling the loose end of yarn and join by working a slip stitch in the first single crochet. Chain 4. Then work triple crochet 3 stitches together. Yarn over twice, insert hook in the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now yarn over twice, insert hook in the same stitch and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over twice, insert hook in the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, Again yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now yarn over and pull through all the 4 loops on the hook. So this is treble, 3 stitches together, and then work 4 chains and work a slip stitch in the same stitch. In each of the next 4 stitches, work a slip stitch, 4 chains, then treble 3 together, again 4 chains and a slip stitch. So here slip stitch, then 4 chains, then treble 3 together, then 4 chains and a slip stitch. Sew this flower to the top with a bead at the center. I used a tiny pom-pom. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial. You can find a return pattern in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. Thank you.